Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Man, look at that. Okay, don't forget when you're smoking, you got to make some sides. So today I'm going to show you how I do tornado potatoes. Take a little bit of time to make, but I'm telling you, they're delicious. It's worthwhile. Everybody will love them. Check this out. Okay, to save time, we're going into hyperspeed. So you put your potato on your skewer, you take your knife and you cut it to make a spiral cut all the way across. Then you spread it out. It does take a little time. It is a little time consuming to get them all spread out because it does stick on that skewer. Anyway, you get all your potatoes spiraled up. See how easy it is? How fast it is? It does take a little bit, but it's worth it. These are so good. There you go. Tornado potatoes. Okay, now that we got them all spiral cut, we're gonna put some olive oil on there. We'll spray it on, makes it easy. Then we're gonna add some sea salt. And then, of course, I always use my garlic pepper, so we're going to put some garlic pepper on there. And then we're going to get them on out there to the grill. Okay, so these tornado potatoes, yeah, they're a little work. They're delicious. And get them on the grill. Just like that. Oh yeah, we're doing sides. And these sides are awesome. These are doing good. I'm going to give them a roll. We'll let them keep on going. Oh man, that's so good. Roll these over again. They're looking good. Okay, tornado, or twister, tornado. Spiral cut potatoes. Whoa. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. These are going to be delicious. They're hot, that's for sure. Okay, look at that. I do believe we call these tornado potatoes. Thanks for watching the tornado potatoes. They may be a little bit of work to make, but I guarantee if you make those, you'll love them, your family will love them, your friends will love them. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button there, and we'll see you on the next video.